This is Liz, welcome to my little urban homestead. I've been buying those remnant packs. I've got 5 of them laid out here. Instead of putting them in what bits were in which bag, I've just laid them out in material type. Now there's, in 2 of the bags there was this sateen material, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Lovely and soft and smooth, and there's nearly a yard of each piece, so that's going to make me a lovely top. There's some organza, lace, neck curtains, and this is like organza but with a pattern on it, so I could do some different sort of nets with it. But that's them. These are velvet curtain material. These are curtain materials but not velvet. These are cottons. There's some heavyweight curtain. There's heavyweight curtain material here which will do for shopping bags, the non-slippy one I'll put on the bottom of slippers, and make my own kitchen rugs and that. There's 2 bits of thin, lightweight jersey knit. Not sure if I'll be able to use them to make anything with, because I'm not sure on the amount, but there's a fair amount there. There's what looks like some black felt, denim, and some more of these fake leather pieces. Grey I haven't got, brown I have, but they also put this in, which is like sort of like honeycombs, slightly stretchy, one-way stretch. Don't know what I'll use that for. Probably put it in for a placemat or something. Oh well, just thought I'd show you what I've been spending money on. Fabric. Bought some remnant packs, and I'll show you the footage I took of those. And I bought all this fabric. There's 31 colours there, and there's a metre of each, and it's all plain. I prefer plain rather than flowery pattern, things like that, and it's all different colours, and that's what the end of the package looks like. So I'll lay them all out now. I put them on cardboard so I can put them on my shelves, and it looks a bit like a rainbow. So I'll put them on the shelves now and sort out other fabric that needs going away. I've now sorted out my fabric again, and top row and part of the middle shelf, only a little bit, is all plain fabrics. The rest of the middle shelf is cotton quilting weight, and the bottom shelf is slightly heavier weight, and then I've got some curtain weight behind there. In here I've had to put all any fat quarters I've got, or you know, what's left from a project, you know, like if there's 1/4 of a yard of it or half a yard, it's gone in there. I've still got a big bag to go through and see what I can do with those scraps. But on the top I've got fabric that I use for backing, and also a couple of panels and some Christmas fabric. This is my latest quilt I'm working on. I've done the quilt top, so now I'm going to do a pieced backing for it, using up a lot of the scraps I've got left and some obviously big chunks, and that's what, 5 foot by 6 foot now. And then when the backing's done, I'll quilt it up, and I'll probably bring her along and show you a bit of the quilting on it. I've not shown you the making of this because I've actually, for the first time ever, bought a pattern. So obviously the sizes and that are as per them, so I don't want to show. Obviously it'd go against them if I showed you all the making of it and the sizes and that. But I'll show you some of the quilting. Thank you very much. Bye.